YouTube? This your boy Life of Slim Gates back at you with a long time coming video. You heard me? As y'all see in the thumbnail, and what's that behind me right there? That's lighting up blue. I put the bang up in the 300, man, and it sound pretty good. It sound pretty good. It ain't like Big Bertha. You know what I'm saying? Big Bertha, I don't know. It's just that boy sounded so good. Maybe because I had the setting right for the trunk and all that. But this settings on here is not right. So y'all gonna hear and y'all can see what I'm saying. Even when I pop the trunk and show y'all the clips of the trunk inside with the speakers pushing, I'm not giving them speakers all they need. Like, I'm far from it. So I know this, yeah. Y'all gonna see it. We're gonna do another video on working that out, you know what I'm saying, tweaking that, getting that right. And I'm gonna have that on camera so everybody know what my hertz is and where I got my subsonics hooked up to, all that. So man, another little quick little minute real quick. I want to appreciate everybody that's been holding on, still been watching my video, interacting with me, even though I haven't been dropping videos. I really do appreciate y'all, man. I'm gonna try to come back a little stronger because I'm already in process of getting my car in a new makeover, new color, new rim. So that's gonna be footage. Then I'm dropping more bang in her. I'm gonna keep these little ones up in here, and I'm gonna get something bigger up in there. I ain't trying to ruin the Sparta, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so man, I'm finna have some footage coming in. You know what I'm saying. So be on the lookout, man. Your boy finna start coming through, man. So on this video, only thing I need y'all to do, man, if y'all still love your boy, you still support your boy, man, you want to keep this footage coming, man, hit that like button. Please hit that like button, man, and hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss nothing, man, because I'm finna start doing giveaways out again like I did before. Yo, my boy got his money, so you know what I mean? It's gonna be legit, no bullshit, you know what I mean? I'm starting from the bottom, but I still want to take care of the people that's watching, man. So everybody gonna have a chance to win something on this journey with this YouTube, man. But I really appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all, man. I'm finna go ahead and start dropping the clips in right now so y'all can see how she sound, man. Thank y'all, man, and I'll be back.
ain't no running a lot of them. Real gon' pull. Racks bustin' out a nigga jeans. Might as well gon' blow it. Smoking loud like nicotine. Drugs not recording. Conversation now absorbed. Coughing up a lung. Now the streets trying to tell you something's been done. Domination on the floor. Tears filling up a pond. AC blowing like a storm. Anonymous speaking tongue. I'm sitting there crack when Snoop drop juice and gin.